Sampo published their second quarter results today. How would you summarize Sampo's second quarter results?
Well, the report was really strong. It actually the earnings came actually fairly clearly above what the markets were expecting, and the earnings beat came purely from If, their crown jewel, which had clearly better insurance service result than we or the markets were expecting, and the combined ratio was again really good, despite that there was more large claims than usually. So I mean, yeah, really strong result on all fronts, so to speak.
Even though Topdanmark stock has fallen to the levels that Sampo previously bought Topdanmark, they did not buy Topdanmark during the second quarter. Do you think Sampo will buy it during this quarter or during this year?
Well, I originally anticipated that they would have bought already during Q2, since their stock were in the levels where, they bought previously, so that would have made sense. But now the stock has fallen even more, and I mean I would be really surprised if Sampo would not buy Topdanmark at these levels. Since everybody knows, some including Sampo also, that the current setup is not optimal. They only own roughly 50%, and they would want to own 100%, since they would get the synergies from If and Topdanmark, which would be massive ones. So if the current pricing, the most gross overprice of the Topdanmark share has now melted away. So it would make sense to buy. He says, yes, I definitely think that Sampo will and should buy Topdanmark at these levels. Since when they increase their shareholdings and little by little, then the amount left to buy it decreases all the time, and it makes the final buyout then easier. So yeah, let's hope that they have done so during Q3.
Sampo stated that they are still on a track to list Mandatum as a separate company during the end of the year. What kind of company Sampo is going to be after the separation of Mandatum?
Yes, Sampo told that the Mandatum listing or demerger, so to speak, is on track, and it will happen on the beginning of October. After the spin-off of Mandatum, Sampo will be pure play insurance player in the Nordic. It's easy to argue that Sampo is actually the best insurance company in the Nordic in the P&C field after that. And it's a more focused pure play P&C insurance player, and Sampo actually will host a Capital Markets Day during December, which is actually kind of a good timing, since that's the first time when the transformation journey from the financial conglomerate, the pure play P&C player, is actually completed, which Mandatum will be the last piece of that puzzle. So yeah, pure play insurance, P&C insurance player.